Are your Amazon PPC campaign eating up your budget without delivering any result? It not might be the ads, it could be the keywords you are targeting. Hi, I am Shazidul from Ecom Clips. In today's video, I will dive deep into Amazon negative keyword to stop your waste ad spending and supercharge your ROI. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know why use negative keywords in Amazon. As we know, we have to create so many campaigns like sponsor product campaigns, automatic campaigns. So in this case, we can get so many search terms from the search term tab. There will be many keywords are negative for your product. So we need to find out them and then we need to put them as negative. Let me show you from my screen. As we know, we can add two types of negative. One is negative exact and another is negative phrase. First of all, need to know how negative exact will work and how negative phrase will work. My product is premium leather wallet, but the search term I got that is cheap leather wallet. So in this case, this is a partially wrong keyword for my product because my product is premium leather wallet, but the search term is cheap leather wallet. So in this case, I will add this search term as negative exact. Because when customer will search with this one again, my product will not appear. For negative phrase, I will pick cheap as a negative phrase. Because as we know, negative phrase actually work word by word. So as I added cheap as negative phrase, so further if anyone search with cheap, my product will not appear. I hope now you have a good idea about negative exact and negative phrase. Now let me show you how you can check from the campaign manager. Let me open one of my campaign and show you how you can get the negative keywords from the search term report. From the campaign manager, I am picking one of my automatic campaign, and from here, first of all, I need to know about my product properly. And then I will move into the search term. You can select the date range from here. For me, I am picking last 65 days. After picking the date range, I will sort with the click first. After sorting with the click, you can see the first keyword that is the polymailer, as this is a generic keyword for me, but the echoes is higher as well. You can see for this one I got good sales as well. So in this case, I will consider this one. I need to check also if there are this type of other keywords, those are getting clicks, spends, but I am not getting any sales from there. Let me check them. You can see this one spent $18, but I don't have any sales. So in this case, I need to add this one as negative. So if I check this way, it will take too many times. So now I will show how you can get them easily by downloading a report, and you can find out the keywords those you need to add negative exact and which one you need to add as negative phrase. You can export the report from here. After downloading the report, you can make a filter. First of all, I will sort with the click, largest to small. And then I will remove the cells from here. I will pick only the 0 cells. Now I will pick the keywords and the product as in, those are not delivering, but I have spending. So I am taking those keywords and the product as they are spending high. And I will move to my notepad. I am putting them here. From here I will separate the keywords and the product as in. Now you can see how many keywords are spending but don't have any sales. And also there are some as-ins, they are spending but don't have any sales. So from here, now I need to pick which one I should add as negative phrase and which one I should add as negative exact. Let me pick this one. Like as this keyword is partially wrong for me because this keyword is black polymailer, where my product is yellow polymailer. So in this case, I will add black as negative phrase. I will add full search term as negative exact. You can see there are other keywords as well. I will not add them as negative phrase, but I will add them as negative exact because they are related to my product, but they are not actually bringing any sales for me. So I should add them as negative exact. Let me move into the Seller Central. From here, I need to go negative targeting section. and then I will add those keywords as negative exact. From the add negative keywords, first of all need to choose the negative exact, and then I will put those keywords that I would like to add as negative exact. Let me put those keywords here. I also need to click the add keywords. I already added some keywords before, that's why those are new are added. Now let me choose the negative phrase. I will add black as negative phrase. Now you should save this data. This way you can easily get those negative keyword you should add as negative exact and which one you should add as negative phrase. So that's all for today. I hope you have a better idea now about negative keywords in Amazon. If you need any help regarding this, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, we are offering a free audit as well. You can feel free to mail us info@ecomclips.com. Please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.